Are you truly ready to embark on one of life's most rewarding, challenging, and transformative journeys, parenthood? This isn't just a question of desire or biological readiness. It's about the holistic readiness of both individuals, the emotional, mental, and financial readiness to raise a child. Picture this. A child isn't just a bundle of joy that fills your heart with love and your home with laughter. A child is a profound responsibility, a commitment that demands time, energy, patience, and resources. Parenthood is a lifelong journey that changes the course of your life forever. So how does one prepare for such an enormous undertaking? Well, there are several key factors to consider. Firstly, health is paramount. Before contemplating parenthood, ensure both partners are in sound health. Regular checkups, a nutritious diet, an active lifestyle, these are all essential for prospective parents. Not just for the sake of conception, but for the long haul, for the ability to keep up with your future bundle of energy. Secondly, consider your emotional readiness. Are you both prepared to give selflessly, to put another life before your own? Parenthood involves inevitable sacrifices and adjustments. It's about patience, resilience, and unconditional love. It's crucial to assess your emotional readiness before taking the plunge. Thirdly, financial stability plays a crucial role. Raising a child involves significant financial commitment. From healthcare and education to daily expenses, the costs can add up. It's essential to have a secure financial plan in place. Remember, it's not about providing a life of luxury, but a life of stability and security. Lastly, consider the strength of your partnership. Raising a child is a team effort. It requires open communication, mutual respect, and shared values. It's about facing challenges together and celebrating milestones as a team. So, ensure your partnership is strong and ready for the adventure that lies ahead. In short, preparing for parenthood is a multifaceted process. It's about ensuring physical health, emotional readiness, and financial stability. It's about strengthening the bond with your partner and cultivating a supportive environment for your future child. Remember, the journey of parenthood is not a sprint, but a marathon. It's not just about bringing a child into the world, but nurturing that child, guiding them, teaching them, and providing for them. It's a journey of love, sacrifice, and immense joy. So, before embarking on this journey, take a moment. Reflect, prepare. Because parenthood is not just a chapter in life, it's an entirely new book. And it's essential to be well prepared to make this book the best one yet.